Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are discuss about in a topic. This topic is how to switch between game with quick resume on Xbox Series. The Xbox Series X and Series S allow you to quickly suspend and switch games without needing to relaunch or reload. Here how to play multiple games at one time. If you like to bounce between a few games at a time, Microsoft Xbox Series X and Series S have a treat for you. A feature called Quick Resume lets you start playing one game, then switch over to another, picking up right where you left off in second without having to close out of one game and reload the other from scratch. Essentially, Quick Resume takes the content of the Xbox RAM and dump it to the hard drive, not unlike when your computer goes into hibernation. The preserves the exact moment in time you have excited the game with your character standing in the exact same spot. Then when you switch back to that title later on, you are brought right back to where you stopped, as if you know time has passed. And thanks to insanely fast SSD in the Xbox, it all happens in a few seconds. No relaunching, loading or waiting. Here how the feature works. Quick Resume can store up to 3 Series XS games at a time. However, if you have any backward compatible Xbox One, Xbox 360 and Xbox games running, you can get a few additional titles running at the same time. In a post-launch update, Microsoft showed that the features can hold 5 recent games at one time. While there is no official list of spotted titles, Microsoft says it available across most of its most played games. However, Quick Resume does not work with all games. More games are being made compatible all the time, so it's unlikely you will run into any issues unless you are playing something were obscure. Also, for obvious reason, online multiplayer games are not spotted. This means that you cannot log into an online match, then suspend the game and play something else mid-match. You do not have to anything special to use Quick Resume. There are no setting to change, no requirement to remember, or any combination of button to press. Instead, to just first press the Xbox button on your controller and launch another game from the guide menu. From the guide menu, you will see your most recent games and apps in a list, but you can also click My Games and Apps, then choose See All to view other games you have installed but opened less recently. Alternatively, you can go directly to the home and select a new game from there. How to manage your Quick Resume games. In a post-launch update, Xbox introduced a Quick Resume group that will list all the games you currently have suspended in one place. For easy access, make sure this group is added to your home screen. Click the view button on your controller when on the home screen, then click add more to home and make sure the Quick Resume group is added. You can more You can open your suspended game if you, however, ever its icon and click the menu button on the controller. You can choose pin to quick resume to pin the title in the quick resume group menu. You can also remove a game from quick resume and exit out of completely by navigating to it in the guide menu or on the home screen. Press the menu button, then select quit when in a game or remove from quick resume when. Remember to save your game. It should be noted be replacement of saving your game. While the feature saves your place in the game, it does not actually create recoverable save data. With this, we end our video and see you in our next video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.